How are you guys, and welcome to the video. Today we have a 2006 Suzuki VZ800 M50 Boulevard in for dismantle. This bike is actually being kept really well considering its age. No major damage. We've got a light drop on the right hand side, some marks on the exhaust. The end of the handlebar is a little bit damaged. Tank is fine, dash is fine, seats are fine. Wheels, gears, engine, everything drives and rides really smoothly. No major damage, which is really good to see. This one's got 20,000 Ks on there. This one really does sound beautiful, nice and smooth. It's been test ridden, all gears, shift fine, everything is exactly how it came out the factory. Beautiful bike for that kind of age, 06. Forks are straight, wheels are straight, everything looks really good. Diff and driveline all work really nicely too. Beautiful bike. All parts will be up on our website, bikesparesaustralia.com, in the coming weeks. We love getting bikes like this in. Beautiful bike. Excellent. Thank you guys.